In this video, we are learning about purchase IGST, discount received, and rounding off an invoice. Please watch the video till the end. Once you complete the video, you will become an expert in entering purchase IGST entry in Tally. Hi everyone, welcome to Unnati Pro Academy. Let us start the session now. Friends, let us start now. Today we are learning about purchases with IGST, discount received and rounding off. Let us start the practicals. Go to vouchers, press enter. Here you can see the payment voucher. Now we have to select purchase voucher by clicking here or pressing F9. Now it has been changed to purchases. Here you have to enter the invoice number of the supplier. Here date of the invoice. Here you select a supplier, but we will create one new supplier here. Go to create, press enter. Enter, make it Sahana Sales, press enter. Here you have to select sundry creditors. Always supplier should be grouped under sundry creditors. Here maintain balances bill by bill, make it no. Here address of the supplier, if you have, you can enter it. Press enter. Here you have to select the state of the customer. I'll select Andhra Pradesh. Press enter. Here you have to type the PIN code of the supplier. Press enter. Provide the bank detail of the supplier if you have. I'll keep it no. Here PAN number of the supplier, if you have, you can enter it. I'll keep it blank. Press enter. Here you keep it regular. Enter the GST number of the supplier. Press enter. If the GST number is wrong, you will get the message like this. Correct the GST number and press enter. You say no here, press enter. Press enter to accept. Here, if you have any receipt details, you can enter it. Else, come down by pressing enter key. Here, if you have any additional details or corrections about the supplier, you can make it. Otherwise, come down by pressing enter key. Here you have to select purchase account. Press enter. Now press spacebar to get the list of the item. Here you select one item. I'll select first one and type the quantity you purchased and enter the rate of the item. Press enter. You keep it as it is and press enter. Press spacebar. Here we have to select discount received. So it is not there. We will create Go to create, press enter. Discount received you have to type here, press enter. Discount received is always to be grouped under indirect income. Select indirect income, press enter. Here select not applicable, here not applicable, press enter. Press enter to accept. Here we have to enter minus 5%. Always discount to be entered with minus so that it will be deducted from the total value. Press enter. Here press spacebar to get the list of the ledgers. Here we have to select IGST. IGST let us create now. Go to create, press enter, type IGST, press enter. IGST means interstate goods and service tax. Always tax should be grouped under duties and taxes. Select duties and taxes, press enter. Here select GST, the type of the duty. Here select IGST, percentage keep it 0. Here select not applicable, press enter. Press enter to accept this. See, automatically the IGST has appeared here. Now press enter. Here we have to select rounding off account, but rounding off account is not there. Let us create it. Go to create, press enter. Here type rounding off. Press enter. It can be either expense or income. So I'll group it under direct expenses. Press enter. Here type of ledger you have to select invoice rounding. Here you select normal rounding. Press enter. Rounding limit 1 rupee so that it will be rounding off nearest 1 rupee. Press enter. Press enter to accept. See, now it has been rounded off to nearest rupee. Press enter. Press enter. Here if you have any waybill details, you can enter it and press enter. Press enter to accept. Now the purchase invoice has been saved. If you want to see the purchase voucher again, press page up key. Now the same purchase entry we have done it. So now go to print option. Here click on it. Now go to preview. Now this is the invoice. So you can zoom it. You can see the purchase invoice, the supplier name, supplier address, and come down. You can see the item, HSN code, and the quantity we have purchased, GST rate of the item, and discount received, and IGST amount, and rounding off. So this is the net invoice value. This is how the invoice look like. By pressing escape, we can come back to full invoice mode. Press escape. Press escape. Yeah, this is the invoice. Press escape to come back to gateway of tally. Yeah, this is the gateway of tally here. Now go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to account books. Go to ledger. Press enter. Here you can go to purchase account. Press enter. You can see the purchase entry which we have made now. Sahana sales 1,54,000. If you want to see all the details of IGST, discount, rounding off, everything, press F12. F12 is the configuration. You can make it. You will get the screen like this. Show narrations, make it yes. If you have any narration, it will show. Here you select details. Press enter and come down. See here the purchase account showing all the details. Sahana sales 1,74,000, discount received 7,716, and IGST amount and rounding off amount. So if you want to see another ledger, here click here or press F4. You go to Sahana sales, press enter. See here, Sahana sales account is credited with 1,74,382, and details are like this: purchase account, discount account, IGST, and rounding off. If you want to see the discount received account, go to ledger here or by pressing F4. Select discount received, press enter. See, this is the detail. If you want to see only the discount received, so go to configuration F12. F12 here it is in the bottom. Click here and here you can select condense. In this case, it will not show the details. See here, only the discount received account will show 7716. The detail won't be there. If you want detail, you can go to configure and here format report, you make it detailed so that it will show all the details like this. So come back by pressing escape key. So this is how you can see any report in Tally. Thank you friends. If you find this video is helpful, please like this. If you have any questions, any doubts, and if you want any subject to learn, please comment below. I'll make the videos on that. And subscribe for this channel for these more videos to come to you directly. Thank you so much.